I'm Vanessa Jara, and I want to be your U.S. President. I am respectful, responsible, and trustworthy. I believe that I have the capability of being your U.S. President. I believe that all American citizens should have health insurance. I also believe that education prices should be lowered so that all American citizens can have their own education and achieve great things. If elected president, I will work together with foreign leaders to help strengthen, heal, and protect our global environment. This is just one of the many goals that I wish to achieve if elected president. Vote Vanessa Jara to bring America out to its full potential. Because a vote for me is a vote for a greater society. I am Vanessa Jara, and I approve this message.